Hello everyone, Hitesh here from Post and welcome to Post Tutorials. Today we are here to discuss about Barracuda Blacklist. So Barracuda Blacklist is one of the most prominent names into the DNS RBL listings, and it is one of the go-to recommended and go-to sites for checking your blacklisting. So Barracuda Networks is kind of a really huge network of internet services that provide security services like firewall and spam filters. So these services are installed on multiple servers across the world, and basically if any kind of a malicious activity occurs, then these servers actually send the data for any kind of activity to the basically these Barracuda network services, and they just gather these data to actually fill up and populate the RBL list, their RBL list. Okay, so Barracuda resources, like I've said before, they use their networks and also they use spam traps. So spam traps are one of the most common ways that the DNSRB services adds the spamming IP address or domain name. And there are other ways that you get blacklisted, but this is one of the most prominent ones. Listing criteria. So basically, if your server is infected by any bot or malware, if your server is not properly configured to send email, if you don't comply with this can spam act while sending emails, if someone is if you're using an insecure network for sending emails, if someone is actually doing a man in the middle attack and actually doing something that is not desirable for sending emails, so these kind of things might get you blacklisted. So removal process is quite straightforward. You just have to search on the internet Barracuda blacklist and you will. Okay, this is Barracuda Central. So if you type Barracuda blacklist, so you will get a site called barracuda.center.org. So on the second link, if you click on it, IP for the IP lookups, you will see this page. Basically, if you click on this page, you will see this page. And now, if you see, when you're seeing this page, you will be entering like IP or domain in this field. So I have already entered an IP address for the convenience of this video to make it shorter. So just enter your domain IP address and click on the check reputation button. If this is red, then means you are listed. Right now, this domain is listed as poor domain reputation in Barracuda blacklist. So we have to do something to remove this. So what we can do is we can click here, and basically this will redirect us to a blacklist removal form. So like this is the address of our IP address. We can test at the rate mail.com, just enter it and enter your phone number for the contact details and the reason for removal, like we have fixed the issue or it was hijacked, your PC was hijacked and you have fixed it, whatever the reason might be, and you can just submit this request. So this is for the IP address, right? So if you want to delete the domain, so you can go here on the same form, you just enter the domain name, right? Like I did here, and just click on the check reputation button. It will show you what if it's listed or not. So right now it is showing in red. That means it's not a good sign. Basically, it is in the Barracuda block list. It is listed in the Barracuda block list, and it has been classified as spam. So basically, this domain have some kind of history of sending spam mail. So that's the reason it has been listed in this. What you can do is you can just copy this email and send an email to these Barracuda blacklisting services. So you can just write a mail regarding your problem and like your fixed date, what was the problem and why you have been listed, and basically a request to delist your site or your domain from this. So that's the two ways you can delist the sites. So that's the most straightforward way for delisting. Other things that I've mentioned in this tutorial is this SMTP codes that you can refer. So basically, these SMTP codes represents what kind of error happened when your mail was rejected from the mail server. There are some of the few ones. Barracuda have in the site have more of them. I have linked somewhere in here in this. Yeah, you can check this link. Yeah. So I have just linked it in this tutorial. So you can check the link in the description box below for the tutorial link. So you can just redact here and you can check out all of the details I have mentioned in here. Also in the description box you'll find video links for the related articles. So basically about email spam, relating to email spam, blacklists and spam bots. So it will be quite helpful for you. So that's it, guys. I'll be taking off for now.